Hello. Okay, so here's the deal. I recorded the entire video you're about to see yesterday. And I thought there were going to be more guns in it, and so I thought it was going to go onto the Demolition Ranch channel. But after watching it, after editing and sitting down editing it all, it wasn't Demolition Ranch caliber, like the amount of guns that I want in a video like that. So I feel like I'll get some hate if I put it on Demolition Ranch channel because there just wasn't enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this video on the Off the Ranch channel, and then tomorrow is gonna be a firearm-filled video on Demolition Ranch. It's gonna be amazing. And that's today. I'm gonna film that today, but you guys will see it tomorrow. So you're about to watch the video that was supposed to go on Demolition Ranch. So when I refer to Demolition Ranch like a million times in this video, that's why, it's because I had planned on putting on Demolition Ranch. But after further review, decided that it was a better off the ranch type video. So just to clarify, so I'm gonna go ahead and, right now I'm in Las Vegas. See? Bam, Viva Las Vegas. But I'm gonna warp you back to Texas so you can start on our journey to get here. Yeah, this vlog makes no sense. Story of my life. Okay, ready? It's a fast trip, but it might make you a little nauseated, okay? I'm gonna warp you back to Texas. Here we go! Welcome to Demolition Ranch. Totally different episode than normal because it's a vlog. So don't leave. Don't leave. It's a vlog, but there are gonna be guns in it. We're going to SHOT Show, Meredith and I. Hey, Mare.
Hi.
And I just don't want to put too many guns on the Off the Ranch channel just in case. YouTube's kind of been weird about guns in the past. And if they do cut down, I'd like to not lose all my channels. And so we're gonna put the SHOT Show vlogs on this channel. If you like these type of videos, you should subscribe to the Off the Ranch channel because this is what we do on Off the Ranch all the time. But you guys just see the demo type videos. So, welcome to Demolition Off the Ranch. We are heading to the airport so we can go to Vegas and party like rock stars. Not really, just party like parents. And it's gonna be epic, boys. Let's go! I didn't win any money, but I didn't put any money in. So I won the exact same amount of money I would have won if I would have put money in.
Okay.
Welcome to Las Vegas.
Yeah.
Welcome to our crib. Hey, Mare.
Hi.
This is where the magic happens. Magic at SHOT Show actually is sleeping though because he gets so worn out. We got a TV. There's a couch. We can do activities over here and have friends over, and then we've got the view. Viva Las Vegas, baby. So we have some people here. We know a ton of people here, but we have some people here who are gonna be hanging out with a lot. We're about to go eat lunch with them. Comment below who you think said people are. I'll give you a hint. He's a YouTuber. And you've seen him before. Okay, you're gonna see him in like 1 second. The special guest on Demolition Ranch and SHOT Show is Furious. Furious Pete. I was like, you know what? I need to invite the guy I know who knows the most about guns to SHOT Show.
I know everything.
Oh wait, they've seen that video. They know that you actually.
Oh yeah, they know I don't know anything.
Let me show you something, Pete. We're at the F1 firearms booth over here. I'm gonna show them this gun real quick. This is a Demolition Ranch
Yeah,
gun.
that's cool, but
Check
what
that
about
out.
these?
No, look at the Demo Ranch gun. Look. It says,
Oh,
look
wait,
at
that is.
Look
Whoa,
how,
that's yours.
Look how legit it
wow,
is.
that is actually.
Look
cool.
how legit. But
Why didn't you go for these colors though?
the pink?
I mean, the pink. I think this one
That's
or
pretty
this
cool.
one.
That is pretty cool too.
That is really cool. I like that.
But the camo Demo
That
Ranch
is- that is
rifle,
really cool.
look how
That
good.
is really
It's got
cool.
its own light and everything.
Yeah.
That's how you know that we're super legit.
How do you turn on the light?
I don't know, Pete.
Oh.
But it's
So-
got a light on, is what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
Not like a light on the gun. This is a scope. Did you think this was a flashlight?
No, I'm not that.
I feel like you might have thought that was a flashlight.
No, I'm not that bad.
We're at the Rhino Metals booth with Rich and Crispy and Richard Ryan. Richard Ryan, full mag. And then we got Man Spot. It's like all my best friends are here.
It's a dream team. We're like the X-Men.
Smiling or I just need to know. You good? Are you ready? Look at that.
There's one. All right, that's
Now
it.
smile.
A smile. 3, 2, boom.
Alright, I give up.
He sleeps with that thing.
Done with SHOT Show for the day. It's late now. What'd you think? Did you love it?
So much.
Mary just
So
loves
fun.
this stuff. So I didn't show you much, and I know you guys are like all gun guys on Demolition Ranch, and I didn't show. I'm sorry, but I didn't have much time. It takes forever to get through SHOT Show, and so I just had to see a couple people I need to talk to today, and tomorrow's gonna be another vlog on Demolition Ranch, and we're gonna show you everything. Well, not everything. I'm gonna go pick out the coolest things that I want to show you, and I'll show them to you because that's what I wish. There's not anyone who really does that. There's people who do gun reviews on YouTube of things at SHOT Show, but I just want to like go show the most exciting thing, spend about a minute on it, and then go to the next most exciting thing. Not like one whole 20-minute video about one thing. I want to make it exciting. But I saw some cool stuff. SHOT Show has some cool stuff this year, but it's gonna be tomorrow's vlog. I wanted to put it all in one big super vlog, so I didn't show you much today. I'm sorry. Sorry. We're gonna go out to dinner with Fierce Pete and Mel. And this is weird. I feel like I'm making a vlog and I feel bad about making a vlog for you guys. So if you don't like vlogs, just don't watch the videos, please. That way I don't feel bad. Okay. Now I feel fine. Ready?
You gonna be okay?
Freaking, I just don't want people to be mad at me. Love you guys. Don't hate. You guys, you don't have to come.
Haters gonna hate.
Sing it, Mayor. You guys can just stay here in the room if you don't want to come. But you guys who want to come have dinner with us and hang out with me and Furious Pete, come on. Oh, and by the way, tomorrow, I'll tell you later. I'll tell you after dinner. This table is full of social media giants. Yeah. Furious Pete. Hey.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, I want to see if I can.
Stretch them 501s.
Did you see that social media party? I mean, it was like squad goals to the max. Tomorrow, we have another YouTuber coming in to hang out with us. You know him. You love him. Comment below who you think he's going to be. He'll be here tomorrow to hang out with us at SHOT Show. And tomorrow, the whole video, the whole Demolition Ranch video, it's to make up for this video because there was a significant lack of guns. Tomorrow is going to be a lot of guns just for you guys. And I just want to go pick the coolest things. So comment if you have seen something that you would like to see tomorrow. I'll be sure to hit that booth up. Comment below which one to see. I'm going to go try to find the coolest stuff and bring it to you. Thanks for watching Demolition Ranch. I love you. See you next time. We should have just got 2 ladders, but I'm into it.